Mr. Sherwani, President, Hotel and Restaurant Association of North India, my friend Navjot Sidhu Sahib, and our Tourism Minister Gabdia Sahib, even though everyone has changed his name a couple of times when they're speaking. Geetika Kallaji, our Secretary Tourism, distinguished personalities, ladies and gentlemen. Tourism, I personally feel, is the most important area of any country if the country really realizes its potential. A lot of countries in the world depend only on tourism, and it is only tourism which is responsible for building those countries. Unfortunately, in our country, tourism is not considered a priority. I think any priority. We have the best potential. I think we can offer anything which is offered anywhere in the world, which can be offered here. From mountains to beaches to palaces to historic sites to forts, everything. But unfortunately, nobody ever looks into this department. And I've been mentioning it a couple of times. I've mentioned even when I was in Parliament and during discussions also. I think the main reason is, especially in governments, tourism ministry is handled not by one of the most important ministers in the government. But in Punjab, Mr. Gabdia is a very important person for us. That's why we gave him the ministry. It should be given to the top 4 or 5 most important people, like sports. Why is India lagging behind in sports? Because the minister doesn't have that influence to promote sports and get the allocations. Like in Punjab, I myself took the sports ministry, and the amount of money we have spent to build infrastructure, and it's showing some results, and hopefully it will show a lot of results in the next couple of years. I personally feel the most important industry for India is tourism, as was shown on the slides. Compared to, we have crossed or about to cross the population of China. They have 55 million and we have 5 million, 10%, nearly 10% of them. And if we were 20 million, I think you would have seen how our Indian economy would have grown. Because the amount of money a tourist spends, like whenever we go abroad, the amount of money we spend, the same way if those 20 million or 15 million tourists would have come to India every year, you see the amount of money being spent. And one best thing about tourism is the money is distributed. A tourist spends on a rickshaw guy also makes money, a scooter man also makes money, a taxi man also makes money, the dhabe wala also makes money. Everyone makes money from tourism. In our state, Punjab, what was our priority? The basic priority of our government was, first, build your infrastructure before you can promote our state. In the last 4 years, we concentrated specifically on areas of infrastructure. You'll be happy to know the most important infrastructure is power. In another 1.5 years, we will be a power surplus state. Second infrastructure was connectivity. Connectivity. To develop tourism, the most important thing is connectivity. And connectivity, we cannot take Punjab and put it next to the ocean, but we can connect it through the world through airports. In the last 4 years, we have got a Mohali International Airport cleared, and it's under construction. And I was told only yesterday with my secretary civil aviation, that the first flight to Abu Dhabi will be in October, between 25th to 30th of October, from Mohali to Abu Dhabi. The first flight is being launched. So hopefully the new terminal, which is going to be a world-class terminal like the Delhi airport, will be ready in about 2.5 years. Then Mohali will be connected to the world. That's one part of Punjab. Amritsar is going to be connected to the world and is already connected. We are trying to get more flights. Navjot Sidhu ji knows, he's been working very hard. He's already got a couple of more flights operational, and he's getting more operational. And the third one, we are getting a third international airport, has already been cleared by Government of India. That is next to Ludhiana. So look at our state, Punjab. It's a very small state. Look at Haryana, which is a neighboring state, doesn't have a single airport. UP, such a large space state, but only a domestic airport, no international airport. In our state, in another, say, 3 to 4 years, we'll have 4 to 5 years maximum, we'll have 3 international airports, plus we have got airport in Pathankot, which is operational. Ludhiana airport is operational, but we are extending the runways so that we can get bigger jets there. And one in Bathinda is under construction, that will be operational. So look at a small state, you'll have 5, 6 airports operational, and some are operational, some will be operational in a short year's time or maybe before. So our first priority was power, we'll be surplus. Connectivity, we'll be the most well-connected state, even being the smallest, we'll well-connected state. Third was road infrastructure. You might be seeing in the last 2 years, our construction of roads taking place. 4-lane expressways. I must tell you, our state we have got all major towns have been cleared for connectivity through a 4-lane expressway. And some of them already under construction. By next 2 to 3 years, all major towns of Punjab will be connected through 4-lane expressways. Some of them already been connected. Some tenders have gone, some construction will start next month, but they will be ready because it takes 2 to 3 years to build these 4-lane expressways. But we will be the only state where the whole state is major towns are going to be covered. That's another major area of a concern which we have been able to meet. Third, after power, air connectivity, roads, then comes local connectivity. We introduced a new policy of air-conditioned travel in buses. Today, Punjab, if you want to go from Amritsar to Delhi, to Chandigarh, you can travel in Mercedes buses. And you can look at the connect. And all major towns are now, you can travel in air-conditioned buses. All major towns. And we have a very attractive fare policy. We have ordinary air-conditioned buses. We have luxury air-conditioned buses and semi-luxury air-conditioned buses. So this is the area which we have been very successful, and a lot of states are trying to follow policy. We also introduced radio cabs, and now we are introducing radio autos. Like a poor man can also, a poor tourist can, if he wants to travel in Amritsar, can rather than a taxi, can call a radio auto. So autos will come on connect with the same system as the radio taxis. So we have tried to cover every part which is essential for promotion of tourism. The holy city of Amritsar, the infrastructure upgrade, we are spending a lot of money in it. We have a Wagah border, Darbad Sahib, we are introducing, you might have traveled to England, London Heathrow Airport, you have these pods, like metro, there is a new pods concept which has been launched by the British Airport Authority. You'll be happy to know that in Amritsar we are introducing these pods. Most probably next month I will lay the foundation stone. Construction will start next month, and within 2 years it will be a very big tourist attraction in Amritsar. We are already trying to set up in Amritsar, Ludhiana and Mohali big convention centers of capacity of 2,500 to 4,000. In Mohali, one is 5,000 people convention center. Basic thing to increase tourism is, one is to set up big convention centers. Like here, we are tight, a small place. We can't have big conventions. If you have a 3,000 people convention, you'll see the whole hotels will be full. It adds to the revenue and adds to tourism. You see Frankfurt Airport. Frankfurt today is just a convention capital of the world because the world comes there and the whole economy of Frankfurt is based on tourism and conventions. So on the similar lines, we are trying to build up this infrastructure. Regarding our state in terms of policies, we have a very hard-working and very aggressive Secretary Tourism, Mrs. Geetika Kalla. She's done wonders. She gives a lot of ideas. I have to go for another meeting, but she'll be here. Whatever the issues are, the demands are, you can present to her. In the minister, one of our very strong ministers in our party is a Minister of Tourism, Gabriel Saab. He'll be there. Whatever you recommend, we will look at it in a very positive manner. सही मैंने तो मैं भी थोड़ा ही भाईचारा है मेरे भी आई एम आल्सो मेंबर ऑफ द मैंने पता नहीं इन्होंने मैंने पता नहीं मैंने मेंबर बनाया HRA थे बिकॉज आई शुड बी वन ऑफ द मेंबर्स है क्या जी चलो ठीक सो I personally believe we have to incentivize hotel and restaurants. We want to encourage them. And whatever we can do, I'm positive about it. We will provide you all the support. And we have a very positive mind. I think Amritsar, I personally feel, can become and will become and is a mission to make it the most desired destination in the world. And we will go out of the way to promote our state. I was talking to even planning with our Secretary Tourism, like after 1 year, once we have our infrastructure in place, we want to globally promote our state to encourage, promote for tourism. I am also, when I met that Union Minister of Tourism, I was discussing that Government of India has to play a very active role in promoting our nation abroad from tourism point of view. Because the impression outside, when they look at India as a land of snake charmers and beggars, we have to promote our country differently, positively, and that's a role which Government of India has to play. I must show you, I wanted to speak longer. I wanted to share my views because tourism actually and hotels is my passion. I am there like you, like I am very much enthusiastic about promoting this area. Since I don't have time just now, I'll leave it to our Honorable Minister, Navjot ji, to take charge and our Secretary Tourism. I cannot announce anything at this moment because I do not know, you just raised it up on the dais, the issues, because if you had told me before, I could have worked out the modalities, but anyway, we take decisions very fast, so you don't have to worry. Whatever I can do, I assure you will do it, because my aim is to make Punjab, you're looking at the chart next 2 years from now, you're looking at 14th number Punjab, I want to make it number 1. Thank you very much.